My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups that come from the website Desktopcheckuphelpsetup.click. Some people may suddenly see these strange pop-ups to attack their browsers. Desktopcheckuphelpsetup.click actually tries to promote some potentially unwanted programs. At the first glance, it looks as if the programs that are promoted are decent. These are well-known programs all over the world, but the point is that when you start interacting with these pop-ups and these recommendations, when you start clicking on this button, you instead get redirected to some other junk pages that may promote a totally different software. In some cases, these links may not be active, but in other cases, as I said, you may simply be redirected to a lot of other deceptive pages. Anyway, please be careful, don't interact with these deceptive pop-ups, don't install anything that they suggest, because there is a risk of your computer being infected with potentially unwanted software. So we recommend you to carefully research your computer. Very often these pop-ups are the result of some adware enabled in your system. Go to the control panel, check for any suspicious programs, and if you find them, uninstall them. I also recommend that you research your device additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.